my name is Anne. I'm Windy Sick. Today, I read books. Pigs make me sneeze. Pigs make me sneeze. By Mo Windmills. There are lots of elephants to sneeze. Pigs make me sneeze. Jeremy, what do you want to do today? I want yes. A what? A ball, a swim, a hat. 2. Are you okay? I do not know I had you. I cannot stop sneezing. Oh no! What if? What if pig make me sneeze? Achoo! What if I'm tired to sneeze more soapy? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Jeremy, no, do not speak. It is too late. Goodbye. Jared! Are you okay, Jared? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great now, cats make me sneeze too. I do not think pigs make me sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you.